It's a 2013 Mercedes-Benz E-Class. The body grabs you, the interior draws you in, and the engine keeps you coming back. And it comes with all the amenities you need: auto-dimming rearview mirror, memory exterior door mirror settings, dual zone climate control, external memory control, automatic transmission, power tilting steering column, memory steering wheel settings, command AM/FM satellite prep radio, express open and closed sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and V6 engine. The Car Connection finds across the line build quality is tight, material selection is mostly excellent, and quietness is a strength. Mercedes-Benz keeps setting the standard and driving forward. Someone is going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today.
At RBM of Atlanta in Sandy Springs, we have the best selection of new and top quality pre-owned vehicles to choose from. We are conveniently located at 7640 Roswell Road in Atlanta.